Well, hello, everyone. It is such a pleasure to be part of Pitch for the Planet today, and I'm excited to continue the conversation with upcycling. My name is Claire Schlemme. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Renewal Mill. We are a leading upcycled food company that upcycles byproducts into climate-friendly, crave-worthy food and ingredients. So we begin by sourcing byproducts that have high value potential as ingredients from across the food system. We do this using owned supply chains as well as strategic partnerships to bring these upcycled ingredients to market. And then we use a multi-channel sale platform approach to our sales to catalyze the overall growth of the company. So we sell the ingredients B2B to other food companies, and we use the ingredients in our own branded product line. So byproducts as a source of raw material makes a lot of sense economically and environmentally. Food waste is one of the largest single drivers of climate change. So by upcycling, we're tackling food loss head on. And rather than this food loss being the end of the system, it can be a beginning and the start of a process that saves nutrition, reduces carbon emissions, and saves water.